This video will show you how easy it is to fry Baker Boy's large raised Persian donut dough. Baker Boy frozen donut dough should be kept frozen until ready to use. When ready to remove from the case, place on a donut screen in 4x6 rows, leaving about 2 inches of space between the donuts. When all donuts are screened, place them in a rolling rack. Once you have all varieties of donuts prepped and ready, place them in a cooler overnight for no less than 8 hours and no more than 12 hours. You may cover the rack with a rack bag cover to ensure freshness in the cooler. After 8 to 12 hours, remove the donut rack from the cooler. Let the rack stand on the floor for 30 minutes to warm up the dough. After this, place it in a proof box. The proof box should be set at about 95 degrees and 70 to 80% humidity. Allow the donut dough to proof until pieces are 3 times the original size. This can take anywhere between 40 and 60 minutes. Once the donuts are fully proofed, remove them from the proof box and let them rest at room temperature for 15 minutes. Take the fully proofed donuts and gently lower the screen into the fryer. The fryer temperature should be set between 350 and 375 degrees. Donuts need to be fried for 1 minute before manually flipping them using a wooden donut stick. After 1 more minute, flip the donuts once again to ensure screen marks are on the bottom side of the donut. This improves the appearance of the donut and helps with grease control. At this point, immediately remove the donuts from the fryer and let the fryer oil drain off of the donuts for about 1 minute. Your last step is removing the fried donuts from the screen and placing them on a parchment-lined pan to be glazed or iced. For more information, visit bakerboy.com or contact us at hello@bakerboy.com.